Okay, so explain what we're doing.
What we're doing is we're having a chance to deliver Thanksgiving baskets to families that are less fortunate that may not have a Thanksgiving meal.
Cool.
We're going tonight to do that.
All right, my dad Fred right there, and you got my nephew Reese. It's a guy trip. So we're back in Tallahassee after being in Orlando, and like my dad said, we're heading out to bring some turkey delight to people. So this would be really nice for people who eat meat. What if they'd like to select tofu as their meat of choice?
If they like tofu, they'll be going out somewhere.
Okay. So I'll make a quick plug for Tan's Asian Cafe. If you're in Tallahassee, go there and get the Mongolian barbecue with tofu, and it's very delicious. My dad's telling me I can't wear my hat.
No, you can. I said take it off out of respect when we go in.
Oh, when we're inside the church, I will remove my cap out of respect. Me and my nephew Reese here, we're helping with turkey, obviously. Yeah. That's priority number one. Also,
not chicken.
But we are cruising for some hot chicks.
I guess.
16-year-olds. Wait, how old are you?
14.
16-year-olds.
39.
60-year-olds for me. Yeah. I'll take anything at this point.
Okay.
Why is it so quiet? We are going out to lunch with my sister. I think it'll be my third trip to Moe's. I don't care. I love Moe's. More guacamole. So I'm gonna be riding with my oldest niece. She's 17. She got her license last year. I think it took her 3 tries. She can't find her keys. So the first trip with my niece may not happen unless we can find her keys.
It's not gonna be inside the car.
You had your keys last night. What did you do with them after you got back?
I put them down somewhere.
Put them down somewhere. Okay. She's got a Honda Element right here, beautiful blue. And I'm gonna climb in somehow. I don't know how to get in.
And we're still vlogging. What's up, boys?
Get your license ready.
You're fine.
I know you're fine. You're fine.
It's a good story.
And he's gonna give me a ticket. Yes, he is going to give me a ticket. It's not good.
So this is my first ride with my niece, like I said.
She
and
got pulled over.
She got pulled over.
First floor. There's the address. Just slow down a little bit, all right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Mom! Sorry. Guess what? What? I am your daughter. And I got a ticket.
She got her first ticket. The guy said she was going 60 in a 45.
How did you get over to this side of town?
So I want you to go to the class, but you need to tell your dad, not just me. I can give you, listen, I've got a speeding ticket as an adult, so I know it's hard.
Oh shoot.
Oh my God.
Too much.
We just wrapped up a killer game of kickball with my nieces. If you ever wonder how old you feel, play kickball with a bunch of kids. Lefties versus righties. It was so much fun. Lefties won, of course. Yeah.
Okay, Shannon, you are the best. You make my heart beat from my chest. You light up my world because you're so swirled. You're a gift from God because your thoughts are so broad. We call you the coach because on how you approach things in life and things in Christ. I hope you have the best day that is not very gray. I can't wait to see you so that we can celebrate your 27th debut.
Nice. 27. this is going to wrap up the first part of the trip going to down to Orlando. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting more videos from this trip, including where we're going next, which is to a beach just south of Tallahassee, and there'll be a fun video coming from that trip too. And if you want to, click right here for another video. Thank you guys for watching.